Hey, it's Rachel from The Life Facilitator, and I'm sharing a setup video of my Cocoa Daisy Weeks, the 3-month booklet, and the monthly Dory. So let's get into it. Pretty simple pockets. I do take this planner around with me, so I don't love the pockets being super like overdone. But here's my first insert, and this is the 3-month booklet, Daisy Weeks booklet from Cocoa Daisy. And I just have it covered with paper from the Frost and Frolic collection and a pocket card, matted, some enamel dots, just to make it go with the rest of the setup. Here is what the monthly looks like. Pretty simple for right now. Because this is my on-the-go planner, I do tend to keep the monthly like just the things I really need to know, and then everything else is, elsewhere. And I don't over decorate this one. If you saw my classic planner setup, you'll see that monthly is very done up. Now, for the month of December, I did not receive the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. So normally it would look something like this, but I didn't receive those stickers, and I felt like it was a good opportunity to play around with stamps and try different ways to kind of set up my weekly. So I have used an old stamp set from Cocoa Daisy to do the days of the week, and then use stickers from the classic sticker kit to date the days. And I think it's fun. It's a fun, it was fun to try out. And then I'll do something different for the rest of the month. And so that's my 3-month booklet. I'm in the second month. This is what November looked like. So at the beginning of the month, I definitely used it more as the month went on, and then I was traveling this week and didn't have a lot of admin work things, so didn't fill that out. Okay, now on to the Daisy Weeks Dory, Frost and Frolic Daisy Week Dory. So here is what the cover looks like. The cover is papers and scraps and things, and a 4x6 card cut down on top of the actual cards craft paper. And then I did use a couple of the glitter stickers, which are fun, and a little stamped collage up here. And this insert is the weekly, the color block pages I am using mostly for kind of brain dumping and like get it on the page, kind of scratch planning. So it's not necessarily the pretty part. It's like the stuff that I absolutely must remember, and the like to-dos that I need to remember. Now, I will say that I've been trying out a bunch of different pens on the color block pages, and this is the pen that I have found works the best on the color block pages. So this is my like go-to for, well, it's my go-to pen right now anyway, but especially for these pages. Here's the little magnet that came with the planner add-on kit. And then I am using the rest of the pages. So I have the whole month ready to go. And then I have the rest of the insert are daily pages. And I used the planner add-on kit, days of the week, and date number stickers for the whole month. And in November, I put Saturday and Sunday together. I decided to give them their own space to encourage me to use that space for journaling and memory keeping, and so that each day has a little space, except for the end of the month. because, well, for one, this week, I don't know if anybody else experiences this, but like the week in between Christmas and New Year's is like nothing's happening, not a whole lot to like write about or do or talk about. And so I decided to just chunk those days together, and or once I get the Nordic Skies Daisy Weeks, I will just transfer over to that one. So I can use this insert, but I might not. I might just go right into the other insert. So that is the Weeks Dory insert, and I have it on the back string of this Print Prussian Weeks cover. This is older cover, and I don't think it's still available. But other types of covers you could get are like a Moterm has Weeks size covers, Hobonichi Weeks size covers, and that's the only other one I'm aware of. So yeah, that's my setup for my Weeks planner. This one goes with me everywhere. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.